Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to 3 pieces of furniture that are perfect for my home style. This video is being sponsored by A Living Home. I selected 2 pieces of furniture from them, but they also asked if I could review their 3-seater Power Zero wall recliner sofa. This sofa was packaged really good. The sofa came in 3 boxes labeled RML for right, left, middle to make sure you can move the pieces in the area to assemble it in the order you prefer. You can use power tools if you have them, but if you don't, no worries. This sofa includes instructions and all the tools you need to assemble the sofa, making it quick and easy. Let me show you how it looks in my living room. Although I don't have it pushed completely to the wall, it's designed to fit perfectly against the wall, and with just one push of a button, it reclines smoothly. The lumbar support is adjustable so you can find your perfect comfort level. As you can see here, I have it fully reclined for 2 people. And check out this drop down tray. It's great for holding drinks or snacks while watching a movie. And not only that, you can place your phone on the cordless charger to charge your phone. Another standout feature is the built-in USB and Type-C ports. Along with the wireless charging capabilities I just showed you, all your devices should stay powered up while you lounge. And these side pockets are also really handy for keeping everything you need within arm's reach. A Living Home is giving my followers $150 off your sofa purchase, so use my code UNI150 for $150 off your sofa purchase. Next, we have the Cassandra Common Luxury Off-White TV stand. It was packaged really nice. This box was so heavy, I unboxed it in the garage. It's 80% tool-free assembly, so it was really easy to assemble with no power tools. It's durable construction, and the gold accent complements the marble pattern veneer top. This TV stand has plenty of storage, and there's little pocket openings in the back of the shelves, which makes cable management easy for your TV equipment. I want to add one more great feature. This TV stand has soft close doors, which prevent any cabinet doors from slamming shut. Now it's the next day, so let's start unboxing our Cassandra Common Luxury Sideboard buffet table. And as you can see, the marble veneer top is gorgeous. And just like the TV stand, I am unboxing it downstairs in the kitchen, and we're going to put it together upstairs. The assembly process was straightforward, and this sideboard buffet piece requires 90% tool-free assembly, making it very easy to set up. And the marble pattern veneer top is gorgeous and durable. Just like the TV stand, I'm just adding the included anti-tip straps. And this piece is also made from a durable honeycomb board and a sturdy gold metal base. And then you have 6 shelves and 4 doors for ample of storage space. So you can be sure to use it not only as a sideboard, but like I'm going to use it in my office for storage. I was a little skeptical about adding the doors to this piece, but it was so easy, you guys. I mean, the instructions told me everything to do. And even when it came to closing the gaps, all you had to do is use the screw. And this is how it looks. And here is the Cassandra Common Luxury Sideboard buffet table in its final home. And we can just call it the Cassandra sideboard table because I'm going to use it for my office. And it also has the soft close doors just like the TV stand, so we won't have any issues with the doors slamming. And I love the 6 shelves, plenty of storage. In A Living Home, it's giving my followers 12% off most items on the website using my code UNI12. thank you, A Living Home, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave the links as well as the coupon codes to everything I share from A Living in the description. So let's carry on with decorating the space. I absolutely love this setup. I do need to bring this art down, but for now it's going to work. And with the items I'm adding to this side table, it's going to kind of hide the fact that this art should not pass the width of the sideboard. And I know you were probably wondering, where did my brown chairs end up? In the office, and they're so cozy. I needed something comfortable in here when I'm watching TV, especially now that I have my new TV stand, and I absolutely love it, y'all. I can't wait for you to see how the space looks with a few more pieces added to the area. Now let's plug this lamp up, and then we're going to step out and step back in and look at the space and how it looks fully decorated. All right, so let's start with this space. As you enter the room, we have these two chairs that I had in my living room. I've even had them in my sitting room because they are so comfortable. Absolutely love them. I put two pink pillow balls in them, just keeping it simple. And then we have this one ottoman. I do have two of these, but I'm just using one for now. I do want to put a small table here, or maybe even a small round ottoman, just something where I can kick my feet up after a long day's work, or just gathering my thoughts away from maybe the rest of the home, and just enjoying and relaxing in here, and maybe even reading a book. And on this ottoman, I have this throw that is crocheted. My mom made it. It's really small. It's not really wide, just enough to maybe cover your feet and your legs or something. But my mom made that for me. She made several throughout the years for us, even growing up, our children and our grandchildren. She even made hats and gloves and footies and all those things. But absolutely love this one. I felt like it's perfect for the space. And then over on this little side table, I just have a little acorn, some greenery, a candle, and a small lamp. Now, I could really take this off just to have enough space over here to be able to set down two glasses or cups if I had my husband and I were in here sitting and talking and having a cocktail even. There are so many places in our home we could do that, but if I'm upstairs working and he wanted to come chat with me, he could definitely come up here and sit while I work over here and still be comfortable. And on the wall, I have this juju hat. I've had it for a while. I purchased it from Ballard Designs. This one is more of a hard, crunchy type material. I have another one that's more of a feather. Absolutely love it. I've had it on Facebook Marketplace to sell quite a few times, and I always get someone who wants to buy it, and I'll change my mind, or I'll think about giving it to my daughter and change my mind. So I still love that juju hat, so I'm going to keep it. Now over here, as you can see, I did decorate this area on camera, and I just added that cute little alligator or crocodile. I already had it. It's a gold. It's painted gold. That's actually the color it came. I've seen them in silver as well, but I love the gold. I feel like it fits the space. And of course, I love my pink drapes along with my pink chair. I took off the pink desk mat. Felt like it was a little bit too pink for me. I just wanted a little touch of pink. And then I don't want it to look so matchy, but I definitely want you to step in here and realize that I do love pink. Not that it's my favorite color, but I do love it. And right now I'm in that season, the pink and the brown with my desk pad, along with some of the items, my little books and things like that. And of course, I have a picture of my husband and I. And then just the things that I need on a daily basis are here. And of course, I'm always going to be ready for a candle. And my coworker gave me that for Christmas last year, so I do light it from time to time. Now over in here right now, I just have a few little supplies. These are some of the cups I've received from the book club, my book club sisters. I actually have 3 in here now because these were the ones I got this past Christmas. And believe it or not, there's plenty more. So we do exchange gifts. And over here, everything that I would normally have on my desk is in here, and maybe some of my supplies. So I've already filled it up. These are some of the items I use to put hang my pictures and put these pieces together on the bottom shelf. So I'll be removing those after I vacuum the space. But yeah, I have that Christmas vibes only cup. I have it handy for Christmas because I love it. And then over in this side, I've already added a few pieces that I don't have out downstairs, and that's it. All right, so already in use, mainly for my work that I do. The one thing I almost forgot about that I absolutely love the most in this space are these motorized blinds from Alessin. I absolutely love them. I have them in my living room for the backyard, and they are solar powered. You can also use a plug, and they have a remote control to them. An office or your backyard is a definite yes. And over here on the TV stand, I have, these are some of the first things that I've made on my YouTube channel. I didn't make this. This kind of reminds me of my husband. Mr. Mrs. is actually a clutch, and I use it, I'm using it for display too. So Mr. Mrs. And then this is one of the first pieces I made on YouTube. I made that maybe 3-4 years ago one of the first things I shared on my YouTube channel, and I still love it. I've added just a few more flowers I just kind of placed in there. And then we have this sign, and it says, "She leaves a trail of glitter and is never forgotten." This is just a simple candle, has a little bit of pink in it. And these are some coasters that I made using a Cricut machine. And you are smart, you are unique, you are everything, or everything as we say in Memphis. And then of course I did my unique by Sharita. So these are kind of just a little cute simple corner I created. And then over here in this corner, I just have a little simple man in the color white. And then we have our Christmas tree. It's still up from Christmas in July, and it's going to stay up until after Christmas. So I'm not going to take her down. I just slid her over because she was in this corner. But with me having my new piece, it fits perfectly over here, y'all. Absolutely love the way this space look, and it is finished. It is complete. I love the look. I may or may not come back and add a mirror on this wall. I had one in here, but it was too big for the space, and I didn't want it to look like I was trying to fill the room. And I'm not going to do any other art in here. I may put maybe one piece above the TV, and that's it, because I just want to have a clean, clear mind when I'm in here, and I want just some simple memories in here. So I may just add some pictures of the family in here, or maybe just a picture album. Like I said, I would probably put a mirror here, just so sometimes when I'm getting dressed, I do like to come up and take pictures, and I want to have a nice background, and this would definitely be the background if I'm taking pictures or looking in the mirror from here. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like these types of videos and you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And a special thank you to A Living Home for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave the link to all the items I share from A Living Home in the description, as well as the coupon code. So be sure to check out the link in the description as well as the coupon code. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.